Welcome to Maldives, and you are here with me on Travellomania. So, in this video, you will go through 4 days of my Maldives trip. Maldives is a travel destination which is famous all over the world for its pearly white sand beaches, the tranquil of the Indian Ocean, and the ocean sharks and mantas which make it a heaven on earth. So always people think that Maldives is not pocket friendly and it is exotic a location to shell out a lot of money. But in this video, I will take you to one of the resorts which is not only pocket friendly but definitely offers the best in the business. One of the first travel experiences I had in Maldives is the seaplane. And definitely if you travel worldwide, this is one of the experiences that you will look forward to. It's amazing to note how this seaplane traverses very smoothly over the waters. And down below, if you see, this is the Indian Ocean with all its might. Maldives, as you know, is an island nation covering almost 1,200 islands. Few are inhabited, few have private resorts, and still to know, few islands are still uninhabited. So my stay in Maldives started with a walking tour of Malé, and this is the Friday mosque that you are seeing in the video. So this is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and this is made out of coral. And this is where I am trying the fresh water in this island country. Next in line is a garden where you can experience the swing. The swing is very beautiful. If you see, it is shaped like a pearl, and there are many exotic and endemic species which you will find in this garden. So this is a Malé walking tour which I opted for, and in this tour it takes around 4 hours and you can see the people's majlis and the important buildings, the President's Place, the Friday Mosque and other important things in the city. Water sports is one of my topmost passions, and in the channel Travellomania, definitely you experience and watch different types of water sports. Jet skiing being my favorite, I tried 1.5 hour in the Indian Ocean with its full might, and I was lucky enough to watch mantas during this tour. Next in Maldives that you can't definitely miss is the sunset. Wow, what brilliance does it look when the sun sets in the Indian Ocean and a cruise or a small ship just happens to pass by that setting sun. It creates a canvas on the sky with literary shades of orange, golden and whatnot. So my time of the sunset also includes taking a dip in the ocean, and here am I taking a evening dip. So we stayed in this resort called Reethi Beach Resort, which is located in Ba Atoll in Maldives, and this is one of the places which is budget friendly and it houses watervillas. One of the reasons I am here in Maldives is definitely an interaction with the marine species, and here it starts with the electrifying sharks and the stingrays. It definitely sounds crazy, but when you are in the water doing night snorkeling, it is even crazier. So you see nurse sharks in the house reef. Can you just imagine it? It was such a goosebump moment. And here it is, a flying stingray, and which is of a different kind in the night snorkeling activity. It was truly amazing. The Reethi resort is very beautiful, and this is one of the phenomena that I just observed, and you can actually SpongeBob on this green stuff that you see here.
I don't think so. No. I don't think so. No.
Next definitely is the photo shoots that I look forward to. And here Oceanfanatics, that is a part of the beach sports, really helped me in getting drone footage. In Maldives, you will actually crave for a photo shoot like this. And this happened to be one of the swings in the Indian Ocean. It's a fascinating moment, I should say, to enjoy the beach and the wonderful swing that exists. Getting there is difficult because there are mosses and corals all along the path, so you have to be careful enough to take this photo shoot.
Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, a nope, a nope, a nope, definitely nope, a nope, nope, a nope.
Next, obviously in line is the food and the gluttony possibly that you can imagine. So here I'm trying some prawns, which is charcoal grilled, and this is the seafood platter that you can try. Here you have lobsters, you have clams, you have octopuses, you have red snappers, crabs, anything that you would like on your platter. Definitely they will grill it up and give it to you. So I tried the big lobster. We are heading right into the Hanifaru Bay, and this is one of the UNESCO heritage sites in the world, and this is why all the visitors of the world are here in Maldives for. Definitely these are underwater creatures which any adventure lover or any animal lover would love to interact. These are the huge manta rays that Maldives is very famous for. They can reach 7 meter in width, mind you, 7 meter. But they are such gentle giants, they will just go past you without hurting you. So manta rays are a part of IUCN protected species, and you have to be very careful when you are snorkeling or swimming with them. Next you can see the beautiful whale shark, and although I have been in waters with the whale shark in Philippines, the whale shark in Maldives is very different. It is a wonderful experience to be in the water with these mighty, humble creatures. So here am I flip-flopping with my flippers on, and this is Maldives. It's ethereal, it's really beautiful, and if you want to know more about it, do ping and subscribe to my channel Travellomania. Thank you.